How am I gonna get this off?
I don't know.
I can't put my wipers on.
Why not?
I have shit all over. Are you fucking... Look at this shit. The fuck? Where'd you... Any other cars? What's something's up? Look at the car here and here. Do you see any bird shit? It's just this fucking truck.
Maybe it's where the bird goes. Maybe it's maybe we're under like their spot.
You know what? So I gotta drive with the bird shit.
Yeah.
Where do we go? That car wash by the... We gotta stop by. There's no way. Fuck that. No, seriously, Chase. The black dude, our neighbor. Look at his windshield.
So?
Look at her windshield.
So? I told you maybe we're just under the spot where they shit.
What spot, honey?
Under the tree.
I can't put my fucking wipers on. Are you kidding? Oh. Look at this shit. I can't go to that self-serve car wash. I'm not getting out and doing it, right?
I'm not doing it.
I'm not. Well, there's a car wash on the way to Myers, right?
Yeah.
Great. This is a... Fuckers. I hate that pet peeve. I hate... But look at it. Shit everywhere. Right. I mean, is that one? There's got to be one where they do it for you, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't put my wipers on, right, Chase? No, then I'll smear the shit. No, I'm not doing